Hi guys, so I'm so happy because today I want to make my hair gray, more gray. I have been to my hairdresser and she put me the toner that I will need for this transformation. It's not a big thing, but like you see, my hair tends to go more on the orange side, so I like it more gray on cold side because I have this natural gray hair. So I'm so anxious to see how it goes. Also, I started last night the new shampoo from Avida, the Repair strengthening shampoo. It is very nice, and I don't know if the shampoo or the K18 leave-in molecular mask make my hair so soft and so nice touching my hair. So my hairdresser told me that I should wash my hair with my Munir shampoo, this one, and after I just leave it like this and put the toner. So let's get started. I'm anxious to see the result, but I'm so happy that my hair grows, and you can see this nice shine. I achieved it by using this K18. Last night I have been using a lot, so for my damaged hair maybe I will buy the full version of this. I have the small version with 5 milliliters, but seeing the result and the big improvement on my hair condition, maybe I will buy the full size. So let's get started. So I wash my hair with Munir. Now I will take all of the water from my hair, and I will sit like this the time that I am doing the toner. So this towel will absorb all the water and will getting toning my hair. This is the toner that I have from my hairdresser, and now I will mix this and see what it happen. So I remove all the excess of water. So this is my hair now, and I will start applying this toner. I put my gloves. She told me that it is a very intense gray, so she put more, and I am anxious to see the result.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts.
the final result. I like the color and how this toner do this job. In the natural light you will see better. When I am inside it tends to be more edgy, but outside it is more warm. But it did a difference in comparison with others toners that I have been used. So this is from Oligo. If you wanted to try it out, I buy it from my hairdresser. I don't know if you can find it online. I know that the mask you can find it, and also the Munir shampoo. I like the shine that gives to my hair. I will continue using the K18 leave-in molecular mask like I told you, and I will curl it like usual. I switched to my new Tangle Teaser brush, so I love how this brush works to my hair. Like I told you, it has this flexible brittle, and it is different from the old Tangle Teaser brush. That one I didn't like it, but this one I like it more. So now I will curl my hair like usually using my headband, and I will sleep with this, and tomorrow I will show you the final result. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I just curl my hair with my headband, and I'm so pleased with the result. Like you see, my hair is toned. It has a little bit of edgy, but I like this type of texture because it is more soft, and this K18 really help my damaged hair. So I have the small version, but I will continue to use it. I will purchase the whole version, the full size, and I want to rebuild my my hair and just to improve my hair health. I don't want to do anything else to my hair till summer or September, I don't know, but 3 or 4 months I just want to leave it like this, or just apply some toner. Last time I used Oligo toner, so it's better than Munir in my opinion, because Munir dries my hair more, and this Munir this Oligo leaves my hair so nice. Even I did a K18 treatment. I feel the hair after I wash out the toner, and I apply this treatment by K18. So overall I'm so pleased with the result, and hopefully you will find interesting this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye guys.